Hey guys, what's up? So I come back after a long time with no videos. I traveled for almost a month. I'm lazy as fuck, but time to go back to work. And today I want to show you like kind of gold mine. Nobody spoke about it. Everyone just doing the flash reels on Instagram. They do photos, switch which in this last second it's changed to like a more hot picture. This is what's going viral right now. But this thing also get viral, and not a lot of people know how to do it. So you probably saw this video. Let's play it. So woman with big ass. Here she's from the border patrol, so it's like bring more attention, right? But anyway, just woman waiting on queue. It's very natural. She waiting to order food, and you can make your model waiting on queue as well with their big ass. That's the goal here, right? So let me show you today how to exactly doing it. So let's say this is your base model, right? You're not having here a perfect ass, like everything is just normal. So I'm gonna put everything on my Telegram channel. You can just join down below and copy paste to Xfield. I'm using Xfield on Nano Banana Pro. So this is the picture of your model, right? Then you're gonna create picture from her back, which is probably bypass very easily on Xfield, so you don't need to worry about. And this is like the bottom, right? So this picture gonna be the base for all the future videos you're gonna generate, and you're gonna copy this image, and then you're gonna put another prompt, and you put it there in the location you want. For this example, this is McDonald's, right? So you're gonna say like she's in McDonald's, texting a phone, very simple prompt, and boom, you have it. Okay, so as you can see, I'm gonna put also all the prompts down below if you're struggling or you want an idea how to get the exact same results. Then you're gonna go to Google VO3 Fast on Xfield as well, 22 tokens, which is nothing. It's really cheap. I was really surprised. He's the best one for realism. Kling, I was not happy at all with the results. I didn't try the 3.0. I tried the 2.6, which is the last version. But let me show you the result. So as you can see, she's texting on her phone. It's a little bit slow. You can speed it up on CapCut, but it's make the work. All you need to show here is one thing, and I don't need to say what is the thing you have to show. And you can generate a lot of videos like that, very easy. She's just waiting on queue. It's gonna be to Starbucks. It's gonna be to the toilet. It's gonna be to the cinema. Just be creative, and yeah. So I hope I showed you something new that you didn't know before, and you're gonna try that with your model. And yeah, for the prompts for the base image, I will put it also in the Telegram channel, so you can just take your model, put it as like exactly this pose, and then use it for your videos, and you will get viral, guys. And thank me later, right? And that's everything for today, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.